The ARCHOS Smart Home System lets you monitor your home wherever, whenever on your smartphone or tablet. You and your family can control and get notified on events in your home thanks to multiple miniaturized wire-free objects. With the ARCHOS Smart Home Pack, you get 2 movement tags for monitoring a door, window or drawer, 2 mini cameras to monitor your home with pictures and short videos, 2 weather tags to detect precise temperature and humidity levels, a dedicated tablet to control these objects remotely, and finally a free Android or iOS application that you can install on your family's smartphones or other tablets. You can then create your own program on the smart home tablet. First, create the room where you set up your connected objects. For example, let's create a bedroom. Then, link the bedroom objects to the tablet. It just takes a few seconds. And finally, you can set up a program for when objects detect a certain event. For example, if the movement tag detects something, it triggers the camera to take a picture and an alert is sent to your smartphone so that you can then get a picture alert when your kids come home from school. So, mini objects with up to 1 year of battery life, no holes to drill, no screws to attach, very discreet objects with no ugly wires running around your house and loads of automation options. Here is the ARCHOS Smart Home System.